So this is the As I Am red color. I don't know the name right now, but this is how it turned out. Um, it's okay, but the when you first put it on, it's like whoa, like it's just like super like vibrant, like woo. But it comes on like it ends up being like this, and then like um, everywhere. When I say this color gets everywhere after it's dried, like I can't even scratch my head. You see, like it's all over my pillowcases. Even I put the bonnet on, it's all over the bonnet. Um, this is just a tie that I had on my hair to like lay down the edges or whatever, and it just gets everywhere. It's just the color transfers so much. So like it's a no for me. It's a thumbs down for me because it's just too much. And I don't know if it's just hair wax period, because every time I do something, get some hair wax color or whatever, it does this. So for me, it's a no. I think if you had something else for it to hold on to, like maybe some locks or something or some braids, maybe it'd be better. But I don't like it for just curls. Not for me anyway.